Welcome back to the channel, guys. Long time no see. Today we're going to take a look at this Audi TT they bought for £500 and it's done 229,000 miles. Let's take a look at it. This is exactly how I picked it up. Not cleaned it, not done anything to it. Bodywork wise, too bad. We got some corrosion on the wing. Looks like we may have a couple of bits here and there. Boot lid. Dent wise, it doesn't look too bad. It's got a couple of bits of corrosion here and there. Doesn't look like it's been cleaned for a long time. Bird poo marks. Another bit of corrosion on this wing. It's a 225 Quattro. Let's fire the thing up. She sounds like. There's the mileage. You can see it in there. Interior wise, not the best colour, I'd say. One, as be expected. Might clean up a little bit. So we got engine light on. Anyone with a 1.8T will be familiar with that one. Radio. Bose. I don't know whether you can see on there. Don't look. All the buttons are a bit worn on here, but you know, well, works. What have we got? Oh, we got service book, manual. Got a multi-changer. Fucking hell, there'll be some people who've never seen one of them in their life. Has it got xenon headlights? I think it has. Did it work? Both working. That's a bit of a bonus. Let's give it a little rev. Engine sounds alright. There she is. See the engine code down there. Oh, she's a mighty BAM, everybody. No wonder she's in good condition. Any water in there? Well, we got some in. Come in. Doesn't sound too bad. I think we'll have a plug in. Take a look. Plugged into VCDS. We've got an engine light on, so we'll have a look. Bagcom to any of you OGs out there. What have we got? Okay, we've got 6 volts. Charge pressure maximum limit exceeded. Intermittent fuel tram bank 1, lean, out of control, higher than expected. Look for misfire. Cylinder 1, fuel level low. Looking to me, probably got an air leak. Judging from those faults there. Let's have a look. That looks like it's had some coil packs already. I think I can hear an air leak anyway. Possibly. Turn it off. Turn it off. Check the oil. Well, it's got some oil in it. Nice. Let's bang it on the dyno. Let's go. It ran out of fuel. I want my money back. That was the finest 99 octane fuel to give those BAM horses the best fighting chance of making some power. Since it ran out of fuel, it started to run a bit weird. Anyway, we'll still dyno it, see what it's got. Well, here we go. Go for a run. So, what did we do? Look at that, she's a beast. 146 wheel horsepower. Which 161 flywheel thing. And it's supposed to be 225. I think that'll be down to our air leaks and whatnot. We've got some problems now. Look at that misfire can't go up. I think we got ourselves a big air leak. We've definitely got some major intake leaks, ladies and gentlemen. Got sapping our glorious BAM horses. So I'm going to have to strip all this off. I'll have a look. Right, the next thing to do will be look at those misfires and air leaks and whatnot. We'll strip underneath that air intake, the inlet manifold off, and look under there because that's pretty much normally where they leak. And then we'll see if we can regain some of those horsepowers that we've lost. So that's it for this video, and like and subscribe and all that guff, and click the bell. Don't be a bell. click the bell. It could be my little tagline, couldn't it? And I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Click the bell. We don't need no 1,000 horsepower builds. We've got a 500 quid TT.